You ready to grow your cleaning business but struggling to find a reliable team? Your next hire could make or break your success. Today I'm giving you the blueprint for hiring and training a rockstar team that will help you scale fast without losing quality. And if you're serious about leveling up your janitorial business, don't miss out on how to start your janitorial business residential and commercial playlist. It's packed with must-know tips for serious growth.
Welcome to Lesson 5.1, where we're diving into one of the most essential pieces of scaling your janitorial business: building a team through effective hiring and training. As your business grows, it's no longer practical or sustainable for you to handle every client and every cleaning task yourself. To expand your operations, you'll need a dependable team that not only matches your level of commitment to quality, but also embodies your brand's values. Why hiring the right team matters. Think of hiring as the foundation of your business growth. With the right team, you can take on more clients, confidently handle larger jobs, and consistently deliver high-quality service that reinforces your brand's reputation. But let's be real, finding good employees and training them properly is no small feat. It requires planning, patience, and a strategic approach. The benefits of a strong team include improved client retention. Happy clients stay loyal and refer others. Operational efficiency. More hands mean quicker turnarounds and higher productivity. Flexibility to expand. With a reliable staff, you'll be ready to take on bigger jobs without sacrificing quality. Hiring. What to look for in potential candidates. When hiring, it's easy to get caught up in technical qualifications. While skills matter, character traits like reliability, attention to detail, and time management are equally, if not more, important. This is because cleaning businesses rely heavily on consistency, being there when you say you will, doing what you promise, and maintaining high standards every time. Reliability and punctuality. You want employees who will consistently show up on time and ready to work. Attention to detail. Janitorial work is all about the small details that create big results. Make sure candidates understand and prioritize quality. Customer service skills. Since your staff will often interact with clients, look for people who can communicate professionally, maintain a friendly demeanor, and respond well to feedback. Where to find the right candidates. When it's time to post your job openings, think beyond the standard platforms. Sure, traditional job boards work, but also consider local job boards. Community-focused sites often attract local talent who may be more familiar with your area and clients. Social media post job openings on Facebook, LinkedIn, and even Instagram to reach a wider audience. Networking within your industry. Often, employees with prior experience in janitorial work are looking for new opportunities. Pro tip: when interviewing candidates, don't just focus on their technical knowledge. Gauge their problem-solving abilities and their fit with your company culture. Ask questions about handling difficult situations or what they'd do if a client had a complaint. This approach will help you build a team that not only performs well, but also aligns with your company's values. And once you've hired your team, training is where the real work begins. Effective training is your best tool for ensuring consistency, quality, and professionalism across all your client sites. So what should training cover? Technical skills. Walk your employees through the basics of cleaning, from different surfaces to specialized equipment. Show them the right way to use cleaning chemicals, tools, and machinery. Customer service. Discuss how to communicate with clients professionally. From greeting clients politely to responding to feedback, these soft skills can be just as crucial as cleaning techniques. Safety protocols. Cleaning often involves chemicals and potentially hazardous environments, so teach your team safe handling practices. This should include protective equipment, proper ventilation, and clear instructions on what to do in emergencies. The power of ongoing training. Training shouldn't stop after the first week. Ongoing training opportunities can keep your team sharp, increase their job satisfaction, and ultimately improve your client satisfaction. Consider scheduling quarterly refreshers on safety and quality control, a quick brush-up to ensure everyone is following protocols, advanced technique sessions. Introduce more advanced equipment and specialized cleaning techniques to expand your team's skill set. Customer service workshops. These can be especially helpful if your team encounters challenging client interactions, giving them the tools to handle situations with confidence. Setting up performance metrics. To ensure your team is meeting your standards, establish performance metrics that are both achievable and measurable. Here's how quality checks. Conduct periodic inspections at job sites to ensure tasks are being completed to your standards. Client feedback. Encourage clients to provide feedback. Positive comments and constructive criticism will show where your team is excelling and where improvements are needed. Timeliness and reliability. Track your team's attendance and timeliness as a gauge of their reliability and dedication. Performance metrics allow you to identify strengths and areas for improvement, ensuring your team continues to grow with your business. Incentives and retention strategies. Once you have a team of reliable, well-trained employees, you'll want to keep them. Employee turnover can be costly and disruptive, so create an environment where your team feels valued and motivated. Retention tips, incentive programs. Consider bonuses for employees who consistently perform well or exceed quality standards. Career development opportunities. Offer paths for growth within your company. Employees are more likely to stay if they feel they can advance their careers. Positive company culture. A supportive and positive work environment goes a long way. Celebrate achievements, recognize effort, and foster teamwork. Wrapping up, hiring and training the right staff is a cornerstone of scaling your janitorial business. It's an investment, but the return is a team that helps you grow, maintain high standards, and consistently deliver exceptional service to your clients. In our next lesson, we'll cover scheduling and workflow management to maximize efficiency as you scale.